in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a year.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from AFSisterWig. Now I know that they have an actual website, but they also have an Amazon storefront, or at least I think the two are connected. They might not be linked, but just in case, this one is from the Amazon storefront. So if you want to see me install her, find out my thoughts and opinions on her, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's talk about this unit from AFSisterWig. It says that this is their 13x4 HD lace front body wave unit. It's 100% virgin human Brazilian hair. It has undetectable Swiss transparent lace. The frontal is pre-plucked, and there are baby hairs, and this is 18 inches. You guys know whenever you get a unit from Amazon, they tend to like run everything together right at the top of like as the title, so sometimes you just got to figure out how to decipher it. The cap construction of this unit is your typical cap construction with one comb on each side, a comb in the back, a comb in the middle, adjustable straps, and it also has a security strap. But the security strap is the first kind of its kind that I've ever seen. I just didn't want that to be like a tongue twister, and I could feel that it was about to become a tongue twister. But it's basically like a bra strap, if you will. It has the hooks. I showed it earlier, but I feel like that's something very different and unique because along with the adjustable straps that it has, that pretty much every unit tends to come with, I feel like that's an additional adjustable strap just in case this unit is a little bit too big for you. For me personally, I'm actually surprised by how the unit is actually fitting onto my head, especially seeing as how it is a 22.5 inch cap construction. I am one who's always talked about how I have a big head, so I tend to think that I need like a 23 or a 23.5, but this unit isn't fitting too snug, but it's also not like loose on my head either. I will say that I agree 100% with the specs that are listed for this unit, but something that they don't list on here is the fact that this unit does come pre-bleached. Now, if you are somebody who gets a little bit nervous or you're a first timer when it comes to human hair wigs, I think this would be a perfect pickup for you just because you don't have to worry about that portion of it. I guess we can hop right into my cons regarding this unit, and I really only have one con, and that is the fact that she does have a lot of filler hairs. Now, most of the time filler hairs don't bother me as long as the unit is full. Now, this is 150% density, which is on the lower side of units, but I feel like whenever it's a whenever it's a body wave or some type of curled unit, as long as you end up curling the unit, I feel like it makes it fluffier and thicker in a sense, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. So because this is a body wave and because I did go ahead and curl it, the filler hairs really aren't bothering me too much. But if this was on the super thin side, or if I just decided to straighten it, then I feel like the filler hairs would kind of bother me. Now we can go ahead and move into my pros regarding this unit. To start off with, I really appreciate the fact that this unit does come pre-plucked and also pre-bleached. I feel like that will save anybody who's installing this unit time, but also for somebody who is a beginner, that saves you not only time but also the stress and the headache of installing the unit. My next pro on this unit is the fact that she does not shed. And when I say she does not shed, she does not shed. I have washed this hair. I have ran my fingers through this hair multiple times. I have ran a brush through this hair. I have ran a comb through this hair. I have put a hot comb on the top of this hair, and I have not gotten any strands yet. And that is shocking to me. Usually I will get maybe 3 to 5 strands or so, but I haven't gotten any. And I'm surprised. My next pro on this unit is how soft and manageable she is. Now, I just stated how I haven't gotten any shedding, but I also haven't gotten any tangling. And I don't expect to get too much tangling from her because she's not super long, but she is a body wave unit. So, I don't know, I guess I was expecting something, but I haven't gotten anything yet, so hopefully it stays like that. I don't really have anything else to say, so with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram. It is at @10Dotson. My TikTok is also at @10Dotson. Huge shout out and huge thank you again to AFSisterWig for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. I will make sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Other than that, girl, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.